technology. You can find different color for this technology, and as you can see, you can create the 3D printing part using layer by layer, okay? And based on the different parameters, you can adjust the parameter, like what is the thickness of each layer you want, what is the filling inside. Do you want to make it all the way full of material, or you want to make it hollow? In this scenario, I don't need it to be full of material, because the concept or the function of this part is not necessary, not very important. I only need the shape to look to the Colosseum.